In this video, I'm going to show you how to download VLC media player on Windows laptop. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open any browser on your Windows laptop. For example, Google Chrome I'm using. Then searching for VLC media player. Then hit enter. Then as you can see here, it is first result VideoLAN www.videolan.org. This one is official VLC media player website. So click on and it's open their website, and as you can see here is VLC media player website, and make sure this URL videolan.org /VLC then click on download VLC. If you're using Windows, it will automatically detect Windows version. So click on VLC and it will immediately download file on your laptop. So as you can see, it's downloading this file. It's about 42.4 megabyte. So it take few minutes or second to download. It depends on actually your internet speed. So download done. Then after that, click on this file or open download folder and just double click on this downloaded file and confirm it. Yes, click on yes. So select your language. I'm selecting English. Then click on OK. Then click on again next, and just next and install, and it's extracting the file. Then you need few moments. So this VLC media player install it successfully, so you can run immediately, or if you dislike it, then it will just install. And if I tick mark, then click on finish, it will open immediately. So click on continue. And if you play any video using this, like I'm using this file like this one, as you can see, it's open with VLC. So that way you can download VLC media player on your Windows laptop. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.